Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I am going to introduce a new premium organic and handmade skincare brand known as ImiAna House. So I have received a few products which we will unbox in this video, and I will also share my review after using these products in this video itself. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. It has come in a brown cardboard box like this. Delivery was pretty fast. So the products have come individually bubble wrapped. Let me open them up. So right here we have got 3 products. Let's go through them one by one. The first one here is a blend for wellness. It is the Shea Lavender Whipped Body Butter Relaxing Skin Food of 50 grams. In the ingredients it has refined shea butter, unrefined Afro cocoa butter, sweet almond oil, lavender essential oil. It is cruelty free, vegan, no SLS, paraben and phthalates, and no artificial fragrance. So here are the directions for use as usual, and 24 months from opening you can use it. MRP is 499 rupees, and here is manufacturing details, their website and contact details, etc. This is manufactured in December 2017 and it reached me in December itself. The review might go up later after I've used the products, but right now I have this product here and this is how it looks. It looks very pure actually. Just look at the form. It is like the proper shea butter. Has a very nice fragrance. It is not like that artificial fragrance, but it is something really pleasant and soothing and aromatic. It is definitely very moisturizing. I am definitely happy to receive it during winters. I will love using it probably, but I'll definitely let you know after using this. And the packaging of this product is also pretty good. I liked it. So here about the products, they have a few details on their website. We already know that shea butter is very nourishing and moisturizing for skin. It is really good for dry skin. Then sweet almond oil, which is there in ingredients, reduces signs of aging, lightens dark circles and naturally protects skin from sun. That is really good. And cocoa butter is also effective in anti-aging because it has a lot of antioxidants, and then it is rich in vitamin E, which helps in creating a protective barrier on the skin. It has 100% pure lavender essential oil. So this body butter, as per their claims, helps in reducing stretch marks and improves elasticity, moisturizes skin, reduces fine wrinkles and is anti-aging. Soothing fragrance of lavender uplifts senses. It has a very natural lavender fragrance. You will not get the fragrance of the lavender perfumes or scents. It's a very mild and natural yet very soothing and pleasant fragrance. Then the next product here is a soap, and just look at that. It is so cute. I love the design. I absolutely adore the design. It has a very nice earthy kind of fragrance. I really like the fragrance. It's quite unique and it's very nice actually. It smells a bit like the Multani Mitti face packs and yet very nice actually. So this one here is a pink kaolin clay with coconut oil, olive oil and sweet orange essential oil. This one has a lot of designs. I absolutely love the one I have received, but these will be sent randomly. If you want any specific design, like they have all these options, then you can definitely contact them or write to them after placing the order. They will surely help you out. I'm quite happy with the shape. It looks like this, smells quite nice, and here are the details about the product. It says pink kaolin clay is a skillfully balanced blend of the white and red kaolin, and I know that kaolin clay is really good for skin because it absorbs the toxins and clogged oil from the skin and combats skin irritation and dryness, etc. The sweet orange essential oil will help in skin lightening and anti-aging properties. It reduces blemishes and dark spots very effectively. We know that orange has vitamin C, and vitamin C definitely helps in making your skin even toned, reduces all the spots, dark spots, tan, etc. And then it has coconut, and coconut has lots of healthy fatty acids which are good for your healthy skin and hair. And some of these fatty acids do have antimicrobial agents as well. So they are antifungal, protect skin, heal damaged skin and make it soft and supple. Then they also have olive oil in this product, which is nothing but zaitun ka tel. It is a great antioxidant as mentioned here. It is good for anti-aging and it protects your skin from UV light, that is the harmful sun rays. So these are the ingredients, guys, and the claims of these ingredients are really true. We need not doubt that these ingredients do work like this. That is known to all. So having these ingredients make these products really promising. I'm quite impressed as of now. And then the final product here is another soap, which is the Rosemary Coconut Luxurious Handmade Soap. Smooth and refreshing. It is a 130-gram soap, and in the ingredients it has virgin coconut oil, rosemary essential oil, tea tree essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil. MRP of this product is 750 rupees, and here are the website and contact details again. This is how the soap looks like. It does have a very nice fragrance. It looks like this. Probably I'm going to cut and use a portion of it because it is quite a huge bar. Has a bit of minty fragrance, nothing overpowering, but I guess you'll like it. Now let us have a look at the claims of this product. It is made from pure virgin coconut oil. We already read the benefits of coconut oil before. And the tea tree essential oil, I need not tell you guys, it is the best product for acne and pimples. It also lightens blemishes and soothes skin. Then rosemary essential oil, also they have used the 100% pure essential oil that rehydrates skin, helps with under eye bags, lightens dark spots and scars and blemishes. Eucalyptus essential oil acts as a natural sunscreen, soothes skin and hydrates it. So again, very good ingredients with really good skin benefits. Now coming to the specialty of ImiAna House, they provide 100% organic and premium quality skincare products. They do not use SLS, paraben and phthalates. Here they have mentioned what these products are. Parabens are preservatives. SLS is something that is added to make foam, and phthalates are chemicals that are used to soften and increase the flexibility of the products. So these are the products that are usually used in skincare and makeup products, and the ImiAna House does not use any of these harmful chemicals in any of their products. And then they are vegan and cruelty free. And when they say they are vegan, even their raw material is vegan. Some of the companies use animal fat, which is far cheaper in comparison to the oils and butters used in their products. So even the handmade organic products use the base material, which is pre-made, and that is quite low quality, but they themselves make everything from scratch. So the quality is like assured quality, you know it is 100% pure, and they're cruelty free. They do not test on animals. They don't use any synthetic colors. Here they have mentioned how they get the colors in their products, like they use cocoa powder for brown color, clays like pink, white and green color, and alkanet root for red color, etc. And their products don't have any alcohol or any artificial fragrance. Here they say the soothing fragrance of these pure essential oils have a lot more benefits for skin and body, so they want to retain that in their products. So those are all the details about the products, their ingredients and the claims. They look quite promising, and I'm definitely looking forward to trying them out. Now let's test them and find out how true the claims are. So it has been a long time and I did not get time to make this review part of the video, but I have used all the products meanwhile. So let me first share my experience. This body butter is extremely buttery. This one actually melts in between your fingers and converts into an oily texture. Let me show you. I just kept a little bit to show you guys. So this is how it is. But as soon as you just rub it on your body or palms, it actually converts into an oil kind of form. And this one here, a very little quantity goes a long way. Just this much quantity is enough for my entire hands. So a very little quantity actually covers a lot of area on your body. And this keeps the skin moisturized for a very long time. It lasted me a couple of days even during winters. Of course, if you're not using any soap that is harsh, obviously it will take off all the moisture if you're using a very harsh foamy kind of soap. Now coming to the fragrance, it's very mild but quite unusual actually. Kind of like essential oils, I would say. It's not great, but it didn't bother me too. I didn't dislike it or anything. It was just okay for me, to be honest. It was a little bit relaxing maybe, but not something very floral or something that you will admire a lot. But quality wise, it is not like any body butter I have used so far. This one here is so pure in its form. I totally loved using it. It felt kind of luxurious too, to be able to use such good products, such pure ingredients. Just by using this and the texture, you can actually find out the difference between this one and other products in market. Now coming to the soaps, I have already finished using the pink kaolin clay soap shown on the screen right now. Even though it's fully organic without SLS, it actually lathered pretty well. I loved the design initially, but what I liked the most about this is the unique earthy fragrance of the soap. It did clean my body very well and yet did not strip any of the natural moisture out of it. In fact, it does provide a bit of hydration and nourishment to the skin. I felt you can totally skip moisturizer or body lotion on certain days if you're in a hurry or something. Especially during summers, you can definitely do that. So basically, in short, I love the soap and I do not even have it to show you guys because it's completely over. Now the second one here, the Rosemary Coconut one, I actually cut out a small portion of it and completed that portion. The remaining soap is still there. And coming to the review of this soap, again very hydrating, lathered very well and did clean all the dirt and grime out of my body. This also had an essential oil kind of scent, very unusual in soaps. I actually even tried it on my face a couple of times and it worked pretty well. Since it was written that it helps with under eye bags and lightens dark spots, blemishes, etc., I thought why not try it. And honestly, I can't tell you if all those claims were true or not because I used it only a few times on face, but I can definitely tell you that it can be used as a facial bar too. And I felt it helped in reducing one of my burn scars a bit. So definitely it is somewhat true to its claims. Very difficult to tell that though, because scar marks fade out really slowly. Overall, definitely I like this soap too. I liked all the three products. They do have a lot more to offer in skincare and hair care range. They have a proper website from where you can place an order, and this is how their website looks at present. These are some of the product ranges they have. I am surely gonna try out more of their products as I'm extremely happy with their quality. If any of you are interested in getting any of their products, I have a coupon code for flat 15% off. Use code SONAM15 to get this discount. I will not be earning anything through your order, or this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share my honest feedback on one of the new brands because I like their products quality a lot and they have pure and rich ingredients without any harmful chemicals. So that's why I made this video for you guys. If any of you are interested in placing an order, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. Let me remind you guys that there is an amazing giveaway going on my channel. One of you guys can win an entire March cute box. So if you haven't participated yet, all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel. So please do click on the red subscribe button right now. It is absolutely free and it will make me really happy. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.